Welcome back to my channel Zippy Zaheen. So you might know that tomorrow is Friendship Day, but I think I'll be posting this video tomorrow. Today's 5th, so I'm saying tomorrow. Yeah, but tomorrow is going to be a Friendship Day, so I decided why not make a tutorial for some cute things to make for your friends. And I made just so many things, and luckily they're last minute gifts that you can just crochet if you forgot. So first thing I'm just going to be showing you are these butterfly charms. They're so cute, as you can see, and they look like cute butterflies. Took me a while to make the pattern though. But yeah, these are cute butterflies. And then I made this star charm too, which looks like this. It has two different colors. I have the tutorial for this too. I really like this for some reason. And then we all know that friendship days cannot be missed without friendship bands, so I made a whole ton of friendship bands like so. This is the easiest tutorial for today's video. Yeah, and it's just really easy to make. You just have to you just need 3 strands of yarn. And I actually made way more than this. I think I made like 40 today. And something I want to share with you that I don't have a tutorial today is this cute bunny that I crocheted. It's so cute. You can see my community post that I made if you want to. But like, this is so cute. Oh my god. It's my first ever amigurumi pattern test. So I'm so sorry that I don't have the pattern for this because I was too tired. But yeah, let's just get started with the tutorial. Okay, so first of all, we're going to be making a magic ring. I'm using a 4.5mm crochet hook for this butterfly. So to start, you're going to take some yarn, and then in your 2 fingers, you're going to create an X. Then you're going to flip your work and then hold. You should have 2 loops in your hook. And then go under the first loop and then over the second loop. Grab the yarn, twist it, and with your index finger hold on to that loop. Separate your ring finger and then go under that yarn and grab some yarn and then just go through. So that will be a chain 1, but it's not going to be considered as one of them. After that, you're going to be chaining 2. So to chain, you're just going to yarn over and pull through. Chain and then this will count as your first double crochet. And then now make 1 more double crochet. So to double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, come out, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. After that, you're going to chain 2 again. Chain 2 and then make 2 double crochets. So the pattern is that you'll make 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets, chain 2, and then you're going to be repeating that for 8 times. So ইয়াতে মই কি কৰিছো, 2টা ডাবল ক্ৰশে বনাইছো, তাৰ পিছত 2টা চেইন বনাইছো, 2টা ডাবল ক্ৰশে বনাইছো, তাৰ পিছত 2টা চেইন কৰিছো, হেনেকে মই 8 বাৰ কৰি যাম. So yeah, just chaining 2 and then making 2 double crochets all over the circle, and make sure that it is equal to 8 times. So I did 3 sets. I just have to do 5 or 6 more rows. I'm done. I made 8 of these, and then now I'm just going to be chaining 2, and then on the top chain I'm going to be slip stitching to attach the pieces together, but I'm not going to finish it. So what I'll be doing over here is that you'll see that little strand over there for the magic circle. I will be tightening up that just to close it because it had a very big hole. I still didn't cut off my yarn over there, just make sure. So yeah, I just pull out the yarn, and then now what I'm going to do is going to cut a little strand of it. Make sure to leave a little piece of it. After that, you're going to take your white yarn, loop it around, and go into that chain, into the 2 loops. After that, you're going to be making a slip stitch into the same stitch where you've just made we'll just change your colors. So now what you're going to be doing is wherever you double crocheted, you're going to be slip stitching over there, and into the chain 2 spaces you're going to be making 6 double crochets. Yate moi ki kori asu, moi je double crochets bur ase tate moi slip stitch kori asu, aru junbur phuta bur asil jot moi duta chain korisu tate junbur ghap bur ase tate moi 6 ta double crochet kori disu. So yeah, just keep on continuing that by slip stitching onto your double crochets and then making 6 double crochets into the chain 2 spaces or the holes that you have just made. Yeah, and then it's a bit tricky how to do it because because it's small, you can just see over there it's a really small hole over there. So you're just going to be pushing a bit of your yarn and then inserting and then just making 2 slip stitches. Now continue this all over. Once you're done, you're going to be slip stitching into the first slip stitch of the row that you just made. So just insert it, yarn over, come out and slipped through the first loop, and that's how you make a slip stitch. After that, chain 1 and then cut your work. Pull out the yarn and pull. Like so, and like that it's going to be done. But now let's just weave in our ends first, and you can see over there it looks like a cute butterfly, the shape that I wanted, or probably you wanted too. And these are really easy friendship gifts to make. It's just last minute friendship gifts. It only takes 20 minutes to make. So I'm just going to be inserting my darning needle over here. And then I'm going to be inserting in a few stitches like so, and then coming out and then skipping the first loop and then just going back again just to tighten it up, and then cut my work and like that. You're just going to be repeating this all over your loose threads. After that, you're going to fold it in half and then take your crochet hook, loop it around and then loop your yarn and then chain 1. Now just make normal slip stitches into those chains or stitches that you have. So just slip stitch. You're going to be slip stitching all across. So once I'm done, almost done, I'm going to be chaining 27 chains. So once it's done, I am going to be slip stitching into the other side just like so, and then chaining 1, cutting my yarn, pulling through, and then done. Now for the star. So to do the star, first just make a magic circle and then chain 2. Each star to banabar karone moi the magic circle banaise, tar pisot duta chain banaise. Ei duta chain to amar double crochet nisna etu nohobo. So tar pisot 15 ta double crochet ei phuta tu thumale hobo. So what I'm doing over here is just making 15 double crochets all over, and then that knot over here you will see, just pull on it just to closing up the hole, and then I'm going to be slip stitching into the first slip stitch onto the first double crochet that I made. Now what are you going to do is you're going to be chaining 5 chains, and by skipping the first chain, you're going to insert into the second chain by making a normal single crochet like so, and then a half double crochet. To half double crochet, you're going to yarn over, insert, yarn over, come out, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops, and then a double crochet. So to do a double crochet, you're going to yarn over, insert, yarn over, come out, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then you're going to be making a triple crochet. To do a triple crochet, you're going to yarn over twice, and then insert, yarn over, come out, and then you're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops 3 times. মই 5টা চেইন কৰিছো, তাৰ পিছত এটা সিঙ্গল ক্ৰোচে, এটা হাফ ডাবল ক্ৰোচে, এটা ডাবল ক্ৰোচে, এটা ট্ৰিপল ক্ৰোচে কৰিছো, আৰু তাৰ পিছত দুটা চেইন এৰি দিছো, আৰু তাৰ পিছত থাৰ্ড চেইনটোত মই স্লিপ স্টিচ কৰি দিছো. So what I'm doing over here, as you can see, that I did my that star thingy over there, and then after that I'm going to be skipping 2 chains and then making a slip stitch onto the third chain from my work and the stitches that I have. And look at here closely that I didn't count it the place where I just made the chain 5, so I just skipped that and then skip 2 chains and the slip stitch. Once it's done, you should have a total of 5 triangles like that, and then after that at the end you're just going to be making a slip stitch. Now you'll need to make 2 of these. I made one with purple and one with white, as you can see, and then I am going to be slip stitching all across. So go ahead, take your time and just slip stitch everything. Once it's done, you can see it's a bit bumpy thingy over here, but I actually like it. If you don't, then you can just sew it with a darning needle, and then start by chaining as much length as you want, and then just cut your yarn and your thing will be done. After that, you're going to be making the easiest thing of today's tutorial is the friendship band, because friendship bands are not clear without friendship bands. So what I'm doing is making my yarn into 3 strands like so, and then after that I'm going to be making a slip knot. And now you can see over here that I only have a little loop over here. So what I'm going to be doing is that taking my strand and then pushing through that hole, and now I have more chunky yarn to work with. By the way, I'm using an 8mm crochet hook, and I am chaining 14, so in total there will be 13, because that 14 chain will be knotted once the project is done. So as you can see over here how I make more yarn, more chunky yarn. So just make chains and chains and chains. You can make it at length, and then just cut your yarn, come out, pull. You can see over there that there is also a little loop left over there. Just cut a little from there, and then your friendship band, the easiest thing of today's tutorial, is done. Hope y'all have enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye!